Welcome back everyone, Varun here, your partner in success. In my last video, I showed you how to create an AI agent in just 30 seconds. In today's video, I'm going to show you two important things: how to train your AI agent and how to customize the widget tabs. Let's start with training your AI agent. First, open your AI agent and go to the Sources tab. Under that, click on Web Pages. From here, you can add web pages in different ways. You can manually add page URLs one by one, or you can add your sitemap URL and let the system fetch pages directly from the sitemap. If you want more control, open the Advanced Settings section. Here, you can set the maximum number of URLs to crawl, define the crawl depth, and also use Include and Exclude URL options if you want to target specific pages only. There is also an automated crawling option. In this, you just need to add your main website URL, and the system will automatically pick pages from your navigation bar or footer. I added coconutcases.com, and at start crawling, it will take 5 to 10 seconds to get crawled. Perfect, it's done. Now let's test this Click Test Agent screen, and let's ask, do you provide Samsung cases? As AI Agent already picked up the Samsung page from the website. Now let's look at another way to train your agent using files and text. If your website does not have all the content you want, or if you want to provide extra information, you can upload files here. You can add PDFs, DOC files, or TXT files up to 10 megabytes. And if you want to add content directly, just click Add Text Content and paste or type your content there. That's set. Now let's move to the second part, customizing the widget tabs. Go to Advanced Settings and open Widget tabs. If tabs are already added and you want to make changes, just open the drop-down for that tab. From there, you can customize it based on your needs. You can change the tab name, tab icon, header title, header subtitle, integration type, button text, platform, profile URL, and then simply enable it. The same process works for the other integration tabs as well. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a lead generation AI agent. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.